to come and see our office. We want to invite you to our office in Apple. And then we're working on. We want to go from here. Where's we want to find vehicles. We have an office where we are planning to take over power from Tinubu. You know the hide. We are not hiding. Tinubu is a one-term president. Yes. What's your question?
What's the outcome of today's process?
We came for 2 cases.
Okay, sir. You mentioned something about the bail conditions. Yes. Can you state some?
They said he's a level 15 civil servant. He has to drop his international passport, and also that the level 15 civil servant must provide rent agreement for 4 consecutive years. They don't even want the level 15 civil servant to progress. He has to be someone who is renting house from, and you know these are ridiculous conditions placed in his way. My worry is that even after meeting the conditions, the lawless DSS might decide not to release him, claiming that they want to verify, because they did it to me before in 2019. After meeting my bail condition, they said I should go and bring my sureties to the DSS. So I gave them a middle finger, and that cost me another 1 month detention. And when they finally released me, the next day they came and abducted me here at the Federal High Court. So I just hope the lawyers understand who they are dealing with. But if they don't release him within a reasonable period, we will take action. We are always ready to take action.
Yes.
Even, you know, today the lawyers wrote a press release that we should not come to court. We don't owe the lawyers any obligation to fight for justice. We owe Justice Crack and his family, but most importantly, posterity, to fight to ensure that his rights are not violated. That's what we came here to do today. And you all reasonably did fantastically well. And I'm sure it is because we are outside that he got his bill approved today.
Okay, one more question. Last week, what happened with he mentioned that because Justice Crack refused to recognize him as his lawyer, he had to withdraw himself.
I was not in court because the DSS did not allow me to attend the trial. But I think we have all gone past that. The bail has been granted. His lawyers have acted. We should move on with our lives.
Sir, as regards to the case with Twitter, should the judge refuse to hand your file over to the CJN? What's next?
You can take it home. That's fine. He has to. But if he refuses, then take it. Because we also have another recruiter coming in the criminal matter tomorrow. So we are going to fight for him to recuse himself. Because it was the judge that asked my lawyer to kneel down. I told him that that's the worst form of judicial rascality, to ask a lawyer that spent 6 years in law school and faculty of law to come and kneel down before a judge. I've never heard it before. A judge is also a lawyer. That's a disrespect to a fellow